People often ask if InfoAide supports task management. Technically, InfoAide is not purpose-built for that, but it can be effectively configured to manage task information for your organization as it would any other type of information. Most organizations are built to serve a purpose and often have many tasks on the go to serve their customers. In this video, I show examples of InfoAide managing tasks that you can try yourself later if you'd like. Let's do this. Some organizations only need to manage a minimal amount of task information. They may just need something to capture small internal or ad hoc tasks. In this scenario, imagine that your organization has centralized some small chores in InfoAide. You are looking to enter a new chore which will appear on the dashboard when it is relevant. First, let's create a chore that is due today. Next, let's pretend that the day to do the chore has come. We're going to call them and want to mark the chore as complete. Last, let's pretend that you want to remember when you called ABC Corp. We can search for the chore. Some organizations need to manage individual tasks to be performed for a customer containing a moderate amount of information. For longer running tasks, it makes sense to include a start date to give the organization time to fulfill the task on time. In this scenario, imagine that your organization works with customers. You're looking to manage tasks associated with the customers. First, let's create a customer and task. Next, let's pretend that today we want to see the list of tasks that are coming due and mark it as complete. Last, let's pretend we want to see the list of tasks related to a single customer. Some organizations need to manage tasks to be performed as part of a project containing a high amount of information. Sometimes a task needs a more granular status than in progress to fully understand what's really going on. Other times it makes sense to include details to ensure clarity when the task is being worked on. Task information may also include metrics for historical reference. For example, a task may track actuals that can later be compared with the estimates. In this scenario, imagine that your organization works on projects. You're looking to manage project steps associated with the project. First, let's create a project and a project step. Next, let's pretend that we completed a project step today. Last, let's pretend we want to see the project steps related to the project. The task information that every organization would find useful to maintain and operate against is different. As shown in this video, the amount of task information that can be collected can range from minimal to highly detailed. Task information can be stored, operated against, and be outputted to reports. How does your organization want to lay out your task information? What additional information would help improve operations? InfoAide is a customizable solution designed to help organizations manage their private information effectively and securely. Thank you for watching. To learn more, visit the website infoaide.ca and check out the other videos on this channel.